You're learning data engineering wrong, and it's slowing you down. I made this mistake too. Be honest, are you doing this? Number 1, trying to learn Python, Spark, Kafka all at once? Feels productive, right? It's not. It's chaos. Common chaos if this is you. Number 2, watching tutorial after tutorial but not building anything? You don't learn by watching. You learn by doing. Number 3, skipping SQL because it feels basic? Bad move. SQL is literally the backbone of data engineering. Weak SQL equals weak engineer. Number 4, copying roadmaps blindly without understanding why you're learning things. That's how you stay stuck. Here's what actually works. 1, start with SQL plus Python. 2, build small projects early. 3, then scale to tools like Spark. Do this right, and you're already ahead of most beginners. Subscribe to TechStack Forge for real tech breakdowns.